Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikita Malkani from Saint Mother Teresa English School, Nandurbar. I'm here back again to teach you lesson number 16 of our grammar textbook, our perfect grammar textbook of standard 3rd. So, the lesson number 16 is about articles. Now, what is this article? Let's see. The words a and the are called articles. A and the. These three words are called articles. We use them before noun in a phrase or a sentence. These words are normally or usually used before nouns in any phrase or sentence. Now let's see first a and then we'll go for the. Okay, a and. We use a and an with singular countable nouns. सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन्स मीन्स जो नाउन सिंगल है, एक ही चीज़ के लिए है, या फिर ऐसे नाउन्स जो हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, राइट? हाथ से, फिंगर से, या यूजिंग नंबर्स वी कैन काउंट देम. वी डू नॉट यूज़ देम विथ प्लूरल और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. ए और एन किसके साथ होता है? या तो सिंगल नाउन के लिए या तो ऐसा नाउन जिसको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन्स. सी हियर, रीटा इज राइटिंग अ लेटर. कितने लेटर्स लिख रही है वो? सिंगल, एक ही लेटर है, अ लेटर. रोहिणी इज ईटिंग एन ऑरेंज. व्हाट इज शी ईटिंग? एन ऑरेंज. कितने ऑरेंजेस है? आपको कितने दिख रहे हैं इन पिक्चर? ओनली वन ऑरेंज, राइट? वी कैन काउंट इट. सो वी यूज्ड एन ऑरेंज. एंड यहाँ पे ए और यहाँ पे एन क्यों? नॉर्मली वी नो दैट एल इज कंसोनेंट, सो वी यूज ए. एंड O is vowel, so we use an. Keep in mind, countable nouns are names of items that can be counted. जो count कर सकते हैं. Apples, oranges, books. Uncountable क्या होता है? Uncountable are the names of items that cannot be counted. जो count नहीं कर सकते. Rice, water, love, news. These things cannot be counted on fingers or easily. It cannot be counted easily. Okay. Next, what is given here? We use and before words beginning with vowel. Vowels, जिसका जो word vowel sound से चालू होता है उसके सामने, उसके पहले हम कौन सा आर्टिकल यूज़ करते हैं? an honest reply, an uncle, an egg. Note that honest is the letter H is silent. We say honest, which begins with a vowel sound. ये ज़रूर एच है, कॉन्सोनेंट है, बट एच साइलेंट है यहाँ पे, तो साउंड कौन सी हो गई? ओ की, ऑनेस्ट. ओके, वी यूजुअली यूज़ ए बिफोर वर्ड्स बिगिनिंग विथ कॉन्सोनेंट. एन होता है वोवल्स के सामने, ए होता है कॉन्सोनेंट के सामने. अ जिराफ, अ यूनिवर्सिटी, अ बनाना, अ ट्री. नोट दैट यूनिवर्सिटी, ये यू आप कहोगे कि यू इज़ अ वोवल, बट नो, वी हैव टू गो फॉर द साउंड. The letter U is pronounced as Y-O-U, U, which begins with the consonant sound Y. इसकी साउंड क्या है? Y-O-U, राइट? और इसका स्टार्टिंग क्या है? Y. तो इट इज़ यूनिवर्सिटी. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट लेट्स गो फॉर द एक्सरसाइज, देन यू विल गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड इट बेटर. A. Write A or an before the nouns given below. First, an octopus. Second, a crab. Third, an insect. Fourth, a uniform. Fifth, a bangle. Sixth, an engine. Seven, a uniform. Eighth, an onion. Ninth, an apple. 10th, a flag. 11th, an urn. 12th, an hour. Here H is silent, so the sound is hour. R. Okay. The. We use the before a noun when we talk about someone or something particular. किसी एक पर्सन या किसी एक चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं particularly, तो हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? The as the article there. Okay. See, दिस इज़ अ कबर्ड, एनी कबर्ड, कोई भी कबर्ड हो सकता है. दिस इज़ द कबर्ड इन विच आई कीप माई क्लोथ्स. ये पर्टिकुलर कबर्ड है जहाँ पे मैं सिर्फ अपने कपड़े रखता हूँ. वेयर आई कीप ओनली माई क्लोथ्स. सो द हियर वी विल यूज़ द as the article because we are talking about something particular thing. We use the before things that are only one of their kind. The sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the polar system, the pole star. Okay, जो चीज़ एक ही होती है मोस्टली, उसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? द. वी यूज़ द बिफोर द नाउन व्हेन वी हैव स्पोकन अबाउट इट अर्लियर. जब किसी चीज़ के बारे में हम पहले बात कर चुके हैं तब भी हम द यूज़ करते हैं. आई हैड एन ऑरेंज, एनी ऑरेंज. आई गिव द ऑरेंज टू माई फ्रेंड. द ऑरेंज दैट आई हैड, वो ऑरेंज जो मेरे पास था. ओके. द इज यूज बिफोर नाउन इफ द context specified what are we talking about. There are cases where the speaker and the learner already knows the item that is being talked about. Sunil kept some oranges in the fridge. The fridge is in Sunil's house. Sohini closed the door as soon as she entered the room. The door of her room. Generally, we do not use an article with proper nouns, name of person or places. However, we use the with some proper nouns. Normally, प्रॉपर नाउन यानी किसी भी नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन या किसी भी प्लेस के नेम से पहले वी डोंट यूज़ द या कोई भी आर्टिकल. वी डोंट यूज़ एनी ऑफ द आर्टिकल्स. बट वी हियर देर आर सम एक्सेप्शनल केसेस. रिवर्स, द गंगास, द नील. Oceans, the Pacific Ocean, the Arabian Sea. Mountain ranges, the Alps, the Himalayas. Famous buildings, the Red Fort, the Eiffel Tower. Some books or newspapers, the Bible, the Economic Times. Okay, these are some exceptions. B. Write a, an or the wherever required. Put X if no article is needed. First, a beer. Second, the Taj Mahal. Third, a banana. Fourth, the Bhagavad Gita. Fifth, smoke. No article is needed here. Sixth, rain. No article is needed here. Seventh, an orange. Eighth, sugar. No article is needed here. Ninth, rice. 10th, an apron. Okay. C. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. First, the national flag of India is hoisted on national festivals. Second, the doctor who treated me gave me a chocolate. Third, Sonal opened the door to let the dog in. Fourth, Suman saw an accident on the road. That is Rohini. She is a police officer. Sixth, I can have an egg only as an omelette. Seventh, I took a taxi to go to the airport. D. Rewrite the sentence using the correct article. Put a cross on the article if not needed. We have to change the articles or we have to write the articles correctly. See first, I can see a moon through an window in my room. Now it is right, a moon. Moon is one of a kind. एक ही चीज़ है वो. So it is the moon. अ की जगह पे क्या हो जाएगा? The moon. An window is W a vowel जो an लिखा है? No, it is not. It is a thing. So we'll change the article to the window. Second, Joseph is wearing an yellow jacket. And Y is a vowel? No, Y is not a vowel. So we will not use an here. We will use a. Joseph is wearing a yellow jacket. Third, the Mr. Govda. Is this needed here? The यहाँ पे ज़रूरी है? नहीं. किसी भी पर्सन के साथ नेम के साथ द नहीं लगता. Mr. Govda comes back from office at 7 p.m. Fourth, can you please pass me a butter? बटर, क्या हम बटर को काउंट कर सकते हैं विथ फिंगर्स एंड नंबर्स? नो. कैन यू प्लीज पास मी द बटर? फिफ्थ, अ ऑनेस्ट मैन इज respected by all. Honest, here H is silent and the sound is O. An honest man is respected by all. Sixth, a Hindu is a popular newspaper in India. A Hindu, it is, Hindu is a newspaper brand, but it is one of a kind. So we'll use the Hindu is a popular newspaper in India. Seventh, an unicorn is the imaginary animal. An unicorn, it is U. Start, the sound starts with Y. A unicorn is an imaginary. Here I is a vowel. Imaginary animal. 8. I ate an egg and rice. A is not needed here. Answer the following riddles. Use a, an, or the in your answer. First, I am round and give out light. I appear at night in the sky. Oh, yes, I change my shape too. I am the moon. It appears in night. It can change its shape also. It gives us light. Which is that object? It is the moon. Second, I am white and am found in your mouth. I help you to eat your food. I am a tooth. आपके मुंह में क्या है जो white color का है? It is a tooth. 3. I am made of paper and have a storehouse of stories. I am your best friend. I am a storybook. 4th, I have a long nose and 2 big ears. I live in a forest. I am an elephant. सबसे लॉन्ग नोज किसका होता है? एलिफेंट का. Take the correct options. Priya has gone to Paris to see dash Eiffel Tower. A Eiffel Tower, an Eiffel Tower, ki the. Now Eiffel, it is E. So the sound is of I, but it is, obviously it is a vowel. But we will not use a. We will use the Eiffel Tower. Why? Because Eiffel Tower is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It is one of a kind. So we'll write the Eiffel Tower. Second, how many articles are there in the following sentence? Now we have to find how many articles are there, okay? The 101 Dalmatians is a children's novel written by an English author, Dodie Smith. How many vowels, how many articles are there? Here are 3 articles. See, the, a, and 3 articles. Third, which of the following sentences are correct? Which statements are written correctly? We saw an alligator. Here an should come, not a. So this is not a correct statement. The book you lent me was wonderful. Here the book article is used correctly. An honest man. A honest man nahi aata. He had an egg for breakfast. So this is correct article formed sentence. So this was all about articles a, and the.